Hi viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a Andhra style pachadi recipe. I'm going to use very simple ingredients to prepare this recipe. You can prepare this recipe in just 20 minutes. Do give it a try. To prepare this recipe, you need to take a round shaped cucumber, which is also called as dosakai. We need to peel out its skin and later slice it into small pieces by removing the seeds which is present inside the cucumber. Follow the steps as shown in the video for peeling and slicing the cucumber. Today I am preparing for a quantity of 2 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirements. This recipe will be perfect for lunchbox as well as side dish for dosa and chapati. If you are planning this recipe for lunchbox, we need to mix the prepared pachadi in hot steam rice and pack it for your lunchbox. Add little ghee and mix it well, and later you can pack it for your lunchbox. If you are planning to have it as your breakfast side dish, you can add little water and blend the prepared mixture to have the pachadi in a liquid consistency. Now, as shown in the video, we need to remove the seeds inside and later cut it into small pieces. It's a seasonal vegetable. Whenever it's available, do give it a try. Next, we need to take a pan, add 20 ml of oil. On top of it, add 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 red chilies, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. At last, add cucumber pieces. Sort all together well for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook it until they become soft. Don't overcook. Cook it only until they become soft. Once they become soft, transfer the mixture into a plate and cool down the mixture completely. Transfer it to a blender jar and blend it into a coarse paste. Add half spoon of salt before blending the mixture. Now the pachadi is ready. You can mix this pachadi in hot steam rice. Also, you can have it for your breakfast side dish. That's it. Very simple, healthy pachadi recipe is ready to serve. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.